Welcome to News at NWU, your window to what's making headlines at our Northwest University. The NWU has received an innovative technological boost with the launch of its virtual reality simulation laboratory at the Faculty of Health Sciences. The laboratory offers immersive experiences that not only stimulate the intellect but also invigorate the senses as it breaks down physical boundaries to open a world of virtual possibilities. Research and teaching and learning have never been more fun. The South African Institute for Chartered Accountants, also known as SAICA, released its initial test of competence results, which takes place in January and June each year. The NWU's overall pass rate for the 2023 postgraduate degree in accounting class increased from 97% in the January exam to 99% in the June exam. This puts us in overall second place for the postgraduate degree in the country. African Women in Business Group and Regenesis Business School honored the Chancellor of the Northwest University, Dr. Anna Mokgokong, with the prestigious Outstanding Leadership Award during the African Women in Business Inaugural Conference Awards ceremony in Sandton on the 24th of August. It was heartwarming and humbling to be recognized by my peers, not only in my country, but in other countries in Africa, said Dr. Mokgokong. News24 recently selected the Young Mandelas for 2024, celebrating a new generation of young champions who are committed to building the South Africa of Madiba's dreams, and Ian Thomson, a PhD student and lecturer in the Faculty of Engineering, was named winner in the innovation category. Ian's innovations will soon be showcased at the 2024 Cybathlon Challenge in Switzerland, where he will serve as the pilot for the NWU Eagles team. The Cybathlon is an international event that showcases how advanced engineering can be used to create assistive devices for everyday use. That is it for this edition of News at NWU. Join us again next time as we look at how the NWU is shaping our country's future. It all starts here.